This is a coach car.
Barry's out there. Again, welcome aboard train 28, Empire Builder, eastbound to Chicago, Illinois. Thank you.
And here we are. So to show you the sightseeing and
If they say welcome for boarding Amtrak, you should say nobody cares because
why can't I? Okay.
yeah.
Here is an observation car. So there's tables here. There's chairs.
Any of these are outlets. Any of them.
Oh yes. Oh shoot! I'm gonna fall.
Let's just table because we gotta put the thing.
Our gizmos down. You can only bring one charger.
That over here.
So yeah, it's pretty much what it is.
Eyes past the Great Northern Railway.
Yeah, and if you don't want to go, I don't want to eat
Your face is full of dust.
Okay, redo that one. You guys do
I'm
it.
hungry enough.
Get something light, like snack.
Maybe I'll have
Like this.
maybe I'll have
Where
half a
pass
year.
Mariah's pass. Yeah, I got you closer. Hey guys, yeah, what I'm gonna do today. We are up here in the Great Plains, but you can see, well, you can't see what I can see, but you can't. I'm about to get down here. Down here. Since this is up, and it's not nighttime yet. Only Nate is sleeping right under me. So I'm gonna have to take this area with my hand up there to jump down. To turn this off. There's a thing right here. You pull up. So currently in the Great Plains as it sets, there's a very beautiful, I know that. This is the adult bunk. I'm not gonna go down because it's really hard to get back up. And this is like an adult bunk bed. It's also the couch. Somebody out there. But anyway, this is gonna be the end of the video. Yeah, temperature control, the cockpit, whatever. And anyway, end of video. See ya, boy. Hey guys, yeah, but on Griffin today we are riding on the train. We are currently mounted. Watch out, please. Where are we? Which ram? Which ram? Right over here. Which ram near the dam? Which ram? And we should have been here at this one, 6:55 p.m. But it's actually 8:43 p.m. It's pretty late. So delayed back in Portland. I know. Okay, so yeah. So I'm gonna get you a seat. So we're just gonna tap. So we're moving, and as you can see, we can stand up. It's not like an airplane. Like it goes like. It's more stable. Okay. So yeah, we just. What's the rest of it? Washington. This observation car here. So there's windows that fold up. Oh, go up. You can hear this table seat. And we're in the table. There's also swivel chairs. Chairs facing. Yeah. Or a cafe. Watch out.
Here. My lock screen.
Yeah. Yeah, see you guys next time. Yeah. And goodbye.
Here's
Hey guys, it's Zero Brothers, and guess where we are? We're in the middle of Montana. So my brother just left me a couple days ago. Yeah, pretty much. And also, how do you pull the beds down? So good question. How do you pull these beds down? Oh shoot. So first, the lower bed, you're going to go push for bed. It's going to be hard to do. On down here, push for bed. And then, can't do this with one hand. I'll show you guys. And then when you push it down, all the way down, and you pull this, oh man, pull this little pine bar. Ah. Yeah. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, I got this pretty much. Ow, crap. And there's another push for bed. For the adult bed, you just push it down like that. Just like I did. I don't want to set it up now because it's not time yet. And for the top bed, see this? You push that up. It's not gonna make it because there's this black thing over here. It keeps hitting. So if you bring it around that. Oh gosh, this is so hard. Bring it around that. Push it down the last one, and boom, it's set. There's a ladder on this side. So if you push this one down, there's a ladder here. I mean, surprise, right? Let's put the ladder down, come up here. The child will climb over here to get there. And they just sleep on the reclined bed. The other people just sleep on the reclined bed down there. See you guys next time and goodbye. By the way, put it back up. It's really easy. Pull this. Boom, done. Same up here. Well, sometimes this thing gets stuck, which in this case is happening right now. So what you're gonna do this. You're gonna push this. Now, because this is a two-person bedroom, normally more than one person would be inhabiting this. So, get another person. Oh gosh. Well, yeah, I need some other. So just push on this. You'll get it up there. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Well, you guys,
Wow, why are you there?
Happy here? Is that why?
Yeah, it's a adult bed. So yeah, the view is great outside. Our vacation is going great so far. So once you make the beds,
You don't have to make beds.
so what you don't have to make the beds. But if,
You can
once
tell
the
you
beds are
can
finished,
attendant to make the beds.
yeah, there's gonna look like this.
Apparently at 9 o'clock the attendant does all the beds. And apparently it puts the bed up here, and then he does a bed. But I put my blanket like this, so it looks like this. And on the upper bunk, there's a. Oh my gosh, Nate, look! Look at the blinds.
I'm gonna get my toiletries.
Yeah, you get the
You
blinds.
rinse your mouth.
What were you doing?
Huh? You need to go brush your teeth.
Yeah, I will.
Get toiletries.
Honey, what were you
And then so there's two beds. There's a ladder. You climb the ladder.
Yeah, I have a reading like right
Yeah,
here.
we know. So if you go up to the top, which I'm totally cheating right now, so you have a blanket.
Well, no, you don't get it. Like there's a blanket in a bag, and there's this.
I'm gonna go pee.
You get a pillow. You get a little pouch.
There's also a safety thing.
So you don't fall down.
Don't you put your legs in there?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh.
Oh, sometimes you can.
I guess you don't.
If you're sitting, you can do that.
We're gonna put
Yeah.
it.
Oh yeah, you can. That's how you
Under
can
the
do.
bed.
That's a problem. So yeah, down here this is the kid bed. This is the adult bed.
Watch out.
From the adult bed, you can just climb on the adult bed toward the kid bed. This is awesome.
Yeah, isn't that cool?
And then we can switch the light, so we can do. We're gonna do this in the middle. In the middle, it's
No, I need light,
looks like
please.
this.
Yeah, but
And it looks like here. It looks like this, and if you go back all the way over here like that.
Light, please.
There's ceiling, there's off, and there's night.
Don't push that.
And this is
You're gonna get it. Don't push. He's gonna show up without. So, don't do that again then.
yep.
Do it.
This is Amtrak. Oh shoot, someone's gonna come. Yeah. Oops, I locked.
Mom, why are you
There's
getting-
nothing. It's the kid. It's zero.
No one's here.
Okay.
what? Oh,
So, yeah,
you have
so
like
see
a
ya.
little blind here.
So yeah, you'll see you guys soon.
And I can change the blinds up
Oh
here.
yeah, I forgot about there's blinds. Yeah. We're looking at, but you can always choose to open the window. So see you guys next time and goodbye. Columbia River. Woo! Oh, by the way, that's Oregon over there. We're in Washington. Tomorrow we'll wake up in Glacier National Park.
Oh,
Maybe. Well, it depends on how late the train is. So yeah, see you guys next time and goodbye. Hey guys, yeah, my next one today. We are here.
How's dinner?
Very good.
Good.
Yeah.
And we're down watching random people eat. Right. Really.
So $16.
Sadly enough, we get a huge discount. We're in the bedroom. Mom? Neat pattern.
Breakfast?
Full sun
Tomorrow.
Guys,
Think you're gonna have enough time for that?
yeah, we got an hour.
Yes.
We need to leave
Wait, is
at
that it?
7.
We're in North Dakota. Yeah.
Wait, that's it. We're in North Dakota.
Is that before or after
We took
we
enough
went to
time.
Minneapolis?
It's just a flat little, right?
We were still serving breakfast.
Before.
Yeah, so you guys next time with Ryan.
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's the Eminent Uggers, and we're walking through the Amtrak train to watch out our room. So from the observation car, the Empire Builder, we'll show you where our room is. We haven't really done this yet. So you'd walk down this coach. Interesting how the lights are blue. Early they're yellow. It's like a interesting coach.
Horses down the slide.
What did Rebecca do, bro? Press to open. Perfect. Lights of Kiss Coach. People look outside their windows and it's cloudy. As you walk through the sleeping car, I didn't film that. As you walk through the sleeping car, we have these bedrooms.
And there's big windows.
And we have windows here. For example, pretty big, got a private bathroom in there. Here's your room. Hi, Mom. That's pretty much what we're gonna show. So you guys want to be right. So we got some snacks from downstairs and everything, and we found this. So tiny. This is where he got the water. It's 9:32 right now, Central Time, and 9:32 p.m. Central Time, and yeah, we're in the Sightseer Lounge yet again. Here. Such a great place to be. So there's tables, swivel chairs, love seats, and just chairs facing the windows.
Very good, man.
Okay, this table seat is great to play cards. Not only do you get the card, but you also, of course, you have these seated on each side, on either side. Right now, we did depart Stanley, and we're heading for
Like all strangers,
Minute.
temporarily find themselves
North
moving
Dakota.
in the same direction. We look out the window.
Back to our hometown.
It's
See you guys
out
next time.
We're down
We're
in our
gonna
phones.
go
Trying to pass the
sleep
tires.
soon. And see you guys next time, and goodbye.
Whistle. So many singers.
Burgers, so we got some snacks from downstairs and everything, and we found this. So tiny. This is where he got the water. It's 9:32 right now, Central Time, and 9:32 p.m. Central Time, and yeah, we're in the Sightseer Lounge yet again. Here. Such a great place to be. So there's tables, swivel chairs, love seats, and just chairs facing the windows.
Very good, man.
Okay, this table seat is great to play cards. Not only do you get the card, but you also, of course, you have these seated on each side, on either side. Right now, we did depart Stanley, and we're heading for
Like all strangers,
Minute.
temporarily find themselves
North
moving
Dakota.
in the same direction. We look out the window.
Back to our hometown.
It's
See you guys
out
next time.
We're down in our phones.
We're gonna
Trying to
go
pass the
sleep
tires.
soon. And see you guys next time, and goodbye.
Whistle. So many singers.